Ever wondered why some websites rank higher on search engines than others? Well, it's not magic or luck, it's all about SEO-friendly content. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial factor that search engines like Google use to determine which sites deserve the top spots for each query entered by users. SEO-friendly content is the cornerstone of a successful digital marketing strategy. It's like a magnet that attracts visitors to your site. But it's not just about getting people to your site, it's about getting the right people, those who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. This is where SEO shines. It helps your site become more visible to people who are searching for topics related to your business or industry. But let's not forget, SEO isn't just about keywords. Yes, using the right keywords is crucial, but there's more to the story. It's also about the overall structure of your content and the user experience. Search engines are smart. They not only look at the words you use, but also how you use them. They look at how your content is organized, how easy it is to navigate, and how valuable it is to users. Think of your website as a book. If it's well organized, with a clear table of contents and chapters that flow logically, readers are more likely to stick around. The same goes for your website. A well-structured, user-friendly site is more likely to keep visitors engaged, increasing the chances they'll stick around, explore, and ultimately convert. And let's not forget, quality content is king. It's the heart and soul of SEO. Search engines reward sites that provide valuable, relevant, and engaging content. So while keywords and structure are important, nothing beats high-quality content that resonates with your audience. In a nutshell, SEO-friendly content is about more than just visibility. It's about attracting the right visitors, keeping them engaged, and ultimately driving conversions. SEO-friendly content can be a game-changer in your digital marketing strategy. So, how do you create it? Creating SEO-friendly content begins with understanding keywords. In a previous video, we took a deep dive into what keywords are, why they are important to your content, and we shared links to free keyword research tools. The link to that video, as well as the accompanying blog post, will be in the description below. Let's refresh our memory by defining what keywords are. Picture the internet as a vast library, and search engines like Google are the librarians. When you type something into a search engine, you're asking the librarian to find the most relevant books related to what you're looking for. Keywords are those terms or phrases that people type into search engines. They're the search queries that guide the librarian to the most suitable content. Now, why are keywords important? They're the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you provide to fill that need. If you're not using the same language that your audience uses when they're searching, chances are your content might not be found. So how do you find the right keywords? That's where keyword research comes in. It's the process of discovering the actual terms people are using in search engines. This discovery allows you to optimize your content around these terms, increasing its visibility to your target audience. There are several tools available for this, like Google's Keyword Planner or Semrush, which can help you identify popular search terms, their search volume, and how difficult it might be to rank for them. But remember, it's not just about stuffing as many keywords as possible into your content. Search engines are smart, and they want to provide their users with the best possible experience. That means they favor content that uses keywords naturally and in context. So while it's important to include relevant keywords in your content, they should feel like a natural part of the conversation, not forced or out of place. Finding and using the right keywords is only the first step. Let's dive deeper. Apart from keywords, quality content is what truly matters. Now you might wonder, what does quality content even mean? Well, it's a fusion of three key elements: uniqueness, relevance, and user experience. Firstly, let's talk about uniqueness. Imagine you're at a party where everyone's telling the same joke. Boring, right? The same goes for your website's content. If you're merely regurgitating what's already out there, you're not adding anything of real value. Your content needs to be fresh, original, and offer a new perspective or insight. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to search engines that your site is a valuable resource. Next up is relevance. It doesn't matter how unique your content is if it's not relevant to your audience. Relevance is about addressing the needs, interests, and concerns of your audience. It's about creating content that answers their questions, solves their problems, or simply entertains them. Remember, search engines are all about providing the best possible results to users. If your content is highly relevant, it's more likely to rank well. Finally, we have user experience. This is about how easily your audience can consume your content. Is it well structured and easy to read? Does it include relevant images or videos that enhance understanding? Are there clear calls to action guiding your audience on what to do next? All of these factors contribute to a positive user experience, which can significantly boost your SEO. By focusing on these three elements, you can create high-quality content that not only ranks well in search engines but also resonates with your audience. This in turn can improve your website's credibility and trustworthiness, key factors that search engines take into account when ranking sites. Remember, quality over quantity always wins in SEO. So don't be tempted to churn out tons of mediocre content. Instead, invest your time and energy in creating fewer but higher quality pieces. After all, it's better to be a master of one trade than a jack of all. But what about the structure of your content? Well, that's a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned. The structure of your content also plays a crucial role in SEO. Let's dive into why having a clear and organized structure for your content is so important. Imagine you're at a library and all the books are jumbled up. It would be a nightmare to find what you're looking for, right? The same principle applies to your content. If your information is all over the place, it's going to be tough for both your readers and search engine bots to navigate. So how can you create a well-structured content? Start with headings and subheadings. They act as signposts that guide your reader through the text. Your main heading, or H1, should encapsulate what the entire content is about. Subheadings, or H2S, H3S, and so on, break up your content into manageable chunks, making it easier to read. Think of them as the chapters and sub-chapters of your book. But remember, don't just use headings for the sake of it. They should add value and provide a concise summary of the section they precede. Now, let's talk about bullet points. They're a great tool to present lists or key points. Your readers can quickly scan them, and they help to break up large blocks of text. Another part of optimizing your content structure is internal linking. This is when you link to other pages on your own website. It's like creating a web of your own content. These links guide your reader to more relevant information, keeping them on your site longer. Plus, it helps search engine bots understand the relationship between different pages on your site, improving your SEO. So there you have it. A well-structured content isn't just about making your text look pretty. It's about enhancing readability, guiding your reader, and helping search engine bots understand your content. It's a trifecta of benefits that can significantly improve your SEO. A well-structured content can significantly improve your SEO. But there's one more thing to consider. Meta tags and URLs might seem small, but they have a big impact on SEO. Let's start with meta tags. These are snippets of text that describe a page's content. They don't appear on the page itself, but only in the page's source code. They're like secret messages to search engines telling them what your page is about. There are different types of meta tags, but let's focus on the two most important ones for SEO: the title tag and the meta description. The title tag is what appears as the clickable link on a search engine results page. It's crucial to make this concise, descriptive, and include your target keyword. The meta description is a brief summary of your page that appears under the title tag in search results. It should be compelling and include relevant keywords, but remember, it's also for the users, not just the search engines. So it should make sense and entice people to click on your link. Now let's talk about URLs. These are the addresses of your web pages. Just like a physical address helps people find your location, a URL helps search engines and users find your content. An optimized URL is short, descriptive, and includes relevant keywords. It's best to avoid unnecessary characters and keep your URL structure as simple as possible. This makes it easier for search engines to crawl and understand your page, and it's also more user-friendly. For example, a URL like www.yoursite.com/blog/SEO-tips is much better than www.yoursite.com1234556. The first one is short, descriptive, and includes the keyword SEO tips. The second one is vague and doesn't give any indication of what the page is about. So remember, meta tags are like secret messages to search engines, telling them what your page is about, and URLs are the addresses of your pages, helping both search engines and users find your content. Optimizing your meta tags and URLs can give you an edge in the SEO game. Let's recap what we've learned. So, we've covered quite a lot about creating SEO-friendly content. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned. We started with the importance of SEO-friendly content. It's the cornerstone of driving organic traffic to your site, giving your brand visibility and credibility in the digital marketplace. Next, we dove into understanding keywords. Remember, they're the terms and phrases your potential audience uses to find content like yours. Choosing the right ones is like setting a digital breadcrumb trail leading right to your doorstep. We then moved on to crafting high-quality content. It's not just about pleasing search engines, but also about engaging and educating your readers. Next, we touched on optimizing your content's structure. A well-structured piece is easier for both your readers and search engine bots to navigate. Finally, we explored the role of meta tags and URLs. These are critical in helping search engines understand and index your content effectively. Remember, creating SEO-friendly content is not a one-time task, but a continual process. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and you'll see the results. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when a new video goes live. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.